take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, so let me just explain something to you. If you have a drone that's this size and is for recreational use, you do not need to have a license, a drone license. And this is for recreation only, okay? So if you're doing recreation, you don't need a drone license at all. If it's under 249 grams, which this is actually 243. Even with the heavier battery, it's 240 something. I mean, I haven't got the battery yet, but even with the battery, it's 243. Without the battery, it's 153 grams. So this is pretty impressive. So the other thing, if you have something that's larger than 249 grams and you're flying recreational, not getting paid, you need to register with the FAA about your drone. You need to register it. And that's what you got to do, as long as it's for recreational use only. As soon as you get paid, you must do get a certificate for Part 107. And that's a completely different realm, because now you're commercial and now you're possibly getting paid. And you have to take a course and you need to learn how to where not to fly and what time, what weather, that kind of stuff. You got to know all that. Just like a pilot's license, except it's unmanned. You're flying it via drone. So that's pretty much it. So if you can stick with something like this, or just registering with at the FAA, who cares? You're doing recreational, you're having fun with it. You don't need a license. That said, we're going to end this video. But anyway, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.